I love Etch Right. We have to etch. That product stays where I put it. It doesn't flow, it doesn't do anything. If I use Total Etch or Self Etch, it works beautiful. Beautiful, it works. Next is Uno Duo, the bonding agent. Why I like it? Because if I add the duo to Uno, it becomes a dual cure. How wonderful that can be.
Brilliant.
I'm not only depending on my light cure, I do not know how much intensity my light gun is producing. So if I add that little drop of duo to the Uno, I have a dual cure bonding agent in hand. That solves so much of my headache regarding the clinical outcomes of my day-to-day clinical practice.
That's great.
And Tough Temp, if you are doing indirects, a lot of it, Tough Temp, it doesn't clog my burrs. So that's another saving a dentist point of view.
Huge.
And my patients are happy, they don't smell bad. The margins are good, and I have had patients who have not turned up to me for 8 months. Their permanent restoration is lying with me. I give a call, yes, doc, I'm coming, because they look so darn good.
Wow. We must outdid ourselves with that.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So that is one, and the pick and stick Snoop, I can't do without the Snoop. That is something, again, a preventive thing. I need to know whether I have left any caries.
Yes.
What is it? Pulpdent products in general are a complete lifesaver for me, clinical lifesaver, absolutely.
Wow. Thank
They're
you.
amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
introducing me to this beautiful world. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much for actually going out to make a difference in your patients' lives and truly valuing their overall health and long-term health.
Yes.
I mean, we know that dentistry and the oral cavity is the gateway to your overall systemic health.
Absolutely.
And I believe that you're really doing everything you can to ensure that your patients are as healthy as they can possibly be.
Yes.
So thank you for doing that.
Thank you so much
Yes.
for having me over, Christy.
Yes. Thank
Thanks
you,
a
Rumpa.
ton. Thank
Yes.
you.
Is there anything else you would like to add?
As you said, oral cavity is the gateway. So if I can give my patient which you can chew comfortably and they last longer, and most important, they look good too.
Yes.
So it's aesthetics and life combined. Unbeatable combo.
I
So
agree.
this is what I get with Activa. Yes.
That's beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rumpa.
Thank you.
Thank you.